This is gonna be really fast paced because it's already 8:35, 5th August 2022, 8:35 p.m. and I have to really rush because by 9 I have to be in the gym. That means I have like 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes I have to finish this, and the next 15 minutes I have to edit and upload and even get the thumbnail because now I have made my life more difficult. Vlog 27 starting off. I woke up at 9:30. So yesterday I went to the office. Today I did wake up at 5:30, but then I was tired, so I slept. I know it's not something that should happen every day, but the weekend is gonna be pretty intense as a matter of fact because Monday is a leave from office, and I have a feeling that it's gonna be not everybody knows that I'm on leave, and Monday is kind of a heavy day, so I don't know how that will pan out, even though I have sent an email like 3 days before to everyone whom I should have informed. A lot of people are gonna message not knowing that I'm on leave, so that back and forth will keep happening, but we'll figure what has to be done there. Yeah, today was a very intense full-time job day. Worked on 3 videos, figured the eye blink in Duik rig. Need a script for this, the preparation part. So the video that I watched was, man, default cube is uploading like crazy. So this video by Nijat, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, sir, Nijat Ibrahim Lee. Awesome tutorials. So this I figured out how to do the blink and everything. I need a script for the preparation part because there's a lot of things that have to be done for preparation, right? The eye white, eye pupil, parenting, matting, and then doing. I need a script for that. Can't do it manually. So I work with a template of hands opening up text and need to have a similar sort of rig for fingers there. So I want to spend a lot more time experimenting with Duik and the rigs because it's amazing, and use those to animate characters and stuff. So that's gonna be a thing happening a lot more. And I need a script this is very important. I need a script that will go deep into precoms, change the duration of all these precoms, and extend the contents of all layers inside these precoms till the end. I did try to experiment a little bit, and I got to the point of you have to use dot source to get to a precom, but I did not get far enough. And today morning the day started off with kind of an intense meet where it was me, one of my team members, and one of our art directors was my senior. So we figured how we can improve on performance, and I did a presentation of sorts. If I can open it here and just show. Yeah, so I made this kind of quick presentation, quick intuitive work, but it gets the job done. So if an animator or an editor in my team, this is based off whatever I have understood from my experience. There are 2 aspects to that person. One is communication, communicating with solutions, addressing feedbacks and being active in responding, and then there's a technical aspect. Now I said that this is more of a subjective thing, right? It varies, the bond you have with people varies, and the way you address feedback varies, so there is a level of subjectivism here. But this is objective, technical. It should be making every effort to make this particular video the best video possible. Doesn't have to be a hero video, just simple 5-second or 10-second videos. That video which is going out has to be the best thing that I do, in the context of that particular video. Then giving inputs to solutions or creative team on how a video can be made better, and doing this for every single video. Now I discussed a little about how I think about the team and leading the team from my little understanding of being a team leader, and that is, if this is me, I essentially want to have replicas of me, and so for that this requires an input which will then give an output. For input, this is something that's my responsibility to figure out and make sure this is happening, and that is the timesheet. Everything happens through the timesheet. The solutions people know that if something is not on the timesheet, it will not get executed. That's how particular and strict I've been. No new briefs post 5:30 because I know how difficult it is to take up briefs so late in the evening, and if you have your own personal life as well. But having said that, even if how much ever I make sure that this happens, this has to come out from the team. Here this is objective and this is non-negotiable. So the quality of videos, there cannot be a compromise on the quality of videos. The turnaround time of the videos has to be quicker and more efficient, and as I said earlier, this is non-negotiable. So I did this entire explanation, and from my perspective I think it went well. It wasn't in any way, shape, form humiliating, or it wasn't commanding even a communication sort of a feedback, and I think things are gonna work fine from here. If not, then you can probably take one more step and figure how things can get better. That is pretty much it. Now going into the weekend, there is a possibility that I might have to work tomorrow as well on one little video which is part of the full-time job. I'm not supposed to work on the weekend, but the person I'm coordinating with, she requested me if I could, so there's a possibility I'll have to spend maybe half an hour or so tomorrow for that. That is okay, no problem. But the majority of the weekend is gonna go for show 2 of Dad's Work, which I am very excited for, and let's see how many episodes we can get in the bag, man. 3 days. Even if I'm averaging 10 episodes a day, I'm getting to 30 I'm looking to hit somewhere around 45 episodes. So 15 episodes a day is easily done. Like if I am only doing this, but I know like on the weekend I get a little fascinated on scripting and stuff like those, so I might just get deviated. But if I'm waking up early tomorrow morning and then working from that point on, like not doing anything else, then 15 is easily in the bag for sure. Which also reminds me that I have completely this entire week not touched Cubic Worlds. But I think it's fine. I can consider this 1 week as a break, because the last episode I did on this was core stagnation, where I was like, this is not working, I'm stuck and stuff like those. So this can be like a nice break, and I can resume back again from maybe Monday or Tuesday, whenever I get to. I don't know if Tuesday is actually a holiday. Like I took a leave thinking that that's gonna be the case. Anyways, we'll figure that as time comes. But yeah, that was it for today's documentation. Thank you so much for being in the khud. I will see you tomorrow very positively. Peace.